Mũrimu wa coronavirus uthiite nambere na kwagagia thĩ ng'ima makiria muno kuri andu aria mathiite guthoma bururi-ini wa China na aria mari na nyota ya kuinuka.
Countries like Algeria, Egypt, Thailand, Bangkok.
Peter Kamauno uria riritirio ritwa riake athire bururi-ini wa China mwaka wa 2017 na family yake na aria maikaraga tauni-ini ya Wuhan kuria nikuo kihumo kia murimu uyu wa coronavirus. Araikara na hahu kuona mutumia wake ni muritu na mari na mwana ungi wa miaka 3 indi matikoretwo makiota kuuma nja niguo kugura irio makiuga miturire yao iri hatika-ini.
The situation currently remains critical. The number of infected people is rising every day. If you look around at the city, you might not see anyone walking since you have been advised to stay indoors. And most markets right now have been closed, and accessing some that are open is very difficult, and if you actually access them, there is limited food.
Kamau niongereire kuga ati thibitari nyingi mwena ucio ni cihurite uu ati ndangihota gutwara mutumia wake clinic uria urabatara guikara githũrimagwo mahinda kwa mahinda ni marigitari indi akona ta muturire wa mwana wao ucio taciaritwo no wa mutumia wake ta wi hatika-ini.
Pharmacies are also closed. The hospitals are packed with patients, so it's quite a tough life for us students.
Attention required for those of us who are expectant, for those of us who have had just basic medical needs. We cannot go to the hospitals for fear of being infected with the virus. We have tried to consult our embassy. They've really been helpful in as much as they could, only that they say as regarding the evacuation process they cannot do much.
Aya eri ni maikite ihoya kuri thirikari ya Kenya kumaruta mwena ucio makorwo magicoka muciĩ kuona arutwo aingĩ kuma mabũrũri mangĩ ni marutururitwo ni mabũrũri mao.
Our common aim is to leave this place as fast as we can,
because we feel other governments have tried to help their citizens. Countries like Britain and Saudi Arabia and Thailand and even United States of America and Bangkok, Egypt, all those countries have evacuated their students. So we are kindly requesting our very own able government if they can just spare some resources and help us to get home so that we can also have stable minds, because this is not an easy or light matter. It's a matter of life and death.
Murutorio uracokete bururi-ini ari na dariri cia murimu uyu kuma mwena wa Mombatha athiite nambere na kuigwo kiheri-ini thibitari-ini ya Coast General etereire macokio ma uthuthuria maria maratabanirio bururi-ini wa South Africa. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritora kwa ni Wanjiru Boro.